Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Exodus crypto trading platform. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Open up the Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. I'm on my Android, so I'll open my Play Store. On the store, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar. Now type in Exodus Crypto and search for it. You'll find the official app of Exodus in the search results. It should have this particular logo. Once you find the app, you can see the install button right next to it. You can tap on it to download it to your phone. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is downloaded, here you can see the open button. Tap on it. It will directly launch the app. After you are in the app, in order to log into your account, you need to choose I have a wallet option. Tap on it. If you are already logged into your Exodus account in another device, you can use the QR code over here to log in. Or if you have the backup vault, you can choose this option. Otherwise, you must have backed up your secret phrase. You can tap on it and enter all the secret phrases to log into your account. You can enter your phrases one by one and tap on this next button at the bottom and you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Exodus crypto account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.